So here's an old stock tank. The level of the lake has dropped. It has revealed some trash. And this pile is getting bigger, so somebody's come down here and gathering. But I see potential in this stock tank. That's some sweet patina. I think I'm gonna come pick it up and make something cool out of it. This thing's pretty heavy. Okay. Let's go, kiddo. After getting the stock tank home, I cut it into smaller pieces and flattened it all out. I used part of the base for this project. As you can see, I've measured out all my pieces and cut them out with an air shear. For the main structure of the bird feeder, I'm using 1/2-inch square tubing. It's pretty rusty, but that's okay. It'll fit right in. It is being secured to the panels with spot welds. I like to watch the tools on the table during a time lapse. They kind of dance around on the table. The piles grows and shrinks. They move to and fro from all of my activity. It's just neat to watch. Growing up, I always thought that people that took pictures of birds and had bird feeders and identified birds were just crazy, funny people, but I have turned into one with photography and just watching them. So it's kind of funny how life works that way. This will be my first bird feeder that I've ever owned, so I wanted to make one myself. We are renting right now in preparation to build a house. In this garage, the owner's boat takes up most of it, which is pretty frustrating and unfortunate, mostly because the boat hasn't been on the water in 15 or 20 years. So it makes it tough to have such a small space to work, but it's better than nothing, and one day I'll have a much larger garage. I'm using 1/4-inch thick paned glass, which will be covered with wire mesh that has 1-inch openings and it's woven. So I am hoping that birds might land on it and use it to feed upside down. I'm using angle iron here for the base to attach to a pole, but I think I'm going to switch to 3/4 inch conduit coupler that can be then slid over a piece of 3/4 inch electrical conduit. That will be an easier system for someone else to use if I decide to sell this down the road. Thanks for watching. This bird feeder was a lot of fun to make, and I will be making more in the future.